welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. Today we're going to open the January RPG crate. So let's get to it. First we have the shirt, and that is kind of plain, honestly. I mean, it's cool. It looks like a demon or something. Just black and white. Kind of boring, really. But it is what it is. It doesn't even say it's from RPGCrate or anything. It's like they had to get a shirt out real quick, and that's it. So it's kind of disappointing on the shirt. But let's open this crate up and see what we got. Okay. Well, first we have our card for the month. This is January 2019, Season 3, Crate 30. And this is Murder Most Foul. And it's got everything we need to know that's in this box. Next we have our recipe card. It's got a quest on the back. This one's called Jailbird Soup is the recipe card. And it looks like it's got quite a bit of stuff you need for this recipe, so that's quite interesting. Trying to see if there's anything odd about this. Actually, you know what? This is something you could, well, besides the bowl of chicken bones, you could pretty much make this. Okay, and then we have our figure from Effin' Cool Miniature, and I know you guys can't see this, so I will put a close-up to it somewhere up here. But it looks like a night watchman or something. It looks like a guard, sort of. It comes in two pieces, and it's basically the whole figure, and then he's got a shield that I have to glue to him. But that's it. Looks like the halberd there is bent a little bit, but I can easily fix that. That's no problem. But that's that. So I'll put that back. Okay, next we have our 3 adventures. And these are the adventures, these are the ancient legends. And we have the first one, which is called Framed. There's the front. There's the back of it. That's interesting. It looks like, oh, it's a key. Cool. And then we have the Tower of Uphold. And that's the front. And just everything else is on the back that you need to know. Then we have Tower Dungeon, which that looks pretty interesting. And that's the front. And that's the back. And then next we have a 5th edition fantasy Eye of the Levitator. This is done by Godman's Games. And it has 30 pages. This one looks like it's interesting. Player handout. Yeah, there's some codes. So, this is the 8th edition to this one. And it is all in black and white. Not much. Just a map here. Looks like one quest overall. I could be wrong. Let's see. Here's some more artwork. Nothing too fancy. Like I said, it's all just black and white. A little bit more. Ooh. Some more there. But it looks pretty interesting. Looks like we actually have something to give. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Some ship maps there. I like those. Those are always nice to have. So it looks like they're going to be getting on a ship probably. This looks really, really nice. Okay, and then on the very back, it looks like we got some codes for the cipher and some other, whatever that is on the wall there. So that's pretty interesting. I can't wait to check that out. So that's it, guys. You only got your pick and pluck foam. There's really nothing else in there. The shirt is really cheesy. Basically, this is what we normally get every month. Sometimes we get some good stuff. This one kind of falls, it's still I'm still going to give it a passing grade. It's not going to be a fail, but I'm definitely going to give this one a C-. So if you like this month's RPG Crate, please subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can be notified, and like always, ring that like button like a hunchback. Till next time.